Alright, in today's hunt I'm going to be shooting a Benelli M2 Cryo. I've got the Terran Tactical AccuGuide. This is also called a lifter. And this is a real thumb saver. With the stock lifter on there, I was getting a lot of split thumbnails after 4 or 5 boxes of shells. I've got a Briley extended choke. This is a light modified choke. I've taken the strap off after years of shooting with the strap on there. I've just decided that's not really helping me. It's just getting in the way. I'm going to be shooting the Cleaver T1s. I've tried the T2 and the T3 and they're more expensive, but they're not any better. This is the best shot shell I've ever used. It doesn't leave much residue at all. It's 1300 feet per second, 1 1/8 ounce shot, and I'm using number 8. Also today I'm going to be flying the drone, the Mavic Pro, for the first time. I'm going to have that out in the field and we're going to see if we're going to get some good video. Alright, let's get to it.